Get your car back on the road with the best auto repair shop in Athens, Georgia. At Hopewell Tire Automotive, we pride ourselves on delivering top-notch automotive services to drivers in Athens. With years of experience and a team of skilled mechanics, we're equipped to handle any issues your car may be facing. Whether you need routine maintenance, a major repair, or anything in between, we're here to help. Our state-of-the-art equipment and commitment to using only the highest quality parts ensure that your vehicle is in good hands. So why choose us for your automotive needs? Here are a few reasons. 1. Affordable prices and honest quotes. We are consistently 15 to 20% cheaper than the local dealerships. 2. We offer the longest warranty of any shop or dealership in Athens at 5 years or 50,000 miles. 3. Transparency. Our shop is transparent with any repairs to your vehicle. We send you pictures showing you what we are doing and answer any questions before we start work. If you're looking for the best auto repair experience in Athens, Georgia, look no further than Hopewell Tire Automotive. Contact us today to schedule your appointment.